Hello, my name is Henry. I created this video to share my experience 3 months after purchasing TEDS Woodworking. My goal is to help you make an informed decision about whether or not to buy it. If you decide to purchase, I've provided a link to the official site above to assist you. What is TEDS Woodworking? TEDS Woodworking is a comprehensive collection of 16,000 woodworking plans designed to teach you step-by-step how to complete projects more affordably, efficiently, and stress-free. It boasts the largest database of woodworking projects available anywhere. Does TEDS Woodworking work? Yes, it absolutely works. If you follow the instructions as they're taught, you'll achieve woodworking results beyond your expectations. TEDS Woodworking Guarantee. TEDS Woodworking comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If, within 2 months, you feel the plans didn't meet your expectations, you can request a full refund directly from the producer, and they will return your entire investment. Are TEDS Woodworking plans legit? Yes, the plans are legitimate. By following the detailed guidance provided, you'll see exceptional improvements in your woodworking projects.